A richly detailed extension and renovation, Pear Tree House demonstrates a seamless transition between old and new, where a structured floating box, adjoined by a sunken garden and rectangular pool, elevates traditional charm to modern sophistication. The client's wishes were to ensure that a modern extension remained sympathetic to the character of the original 1890 sandstone cottage, which sat on a 627 square meter block. Boutique architecture and construction firm Glasshouse Projects refigured the older back part of the home, creating more areas for private retreats and communal spaces for entertaining and socializing. A 300 square meter extension, as well as renovation to the older part of the home, resulted in a new master bedroom with an ensuite, dining, kitchen, butler's pantry, laundry, powder room, guest bathroom, study, pool, and outdoor living area. Clever design in the use of the rear access, the garage can be recessed via sliding timber panels and used for greater outdoor entertaining space. Adding a side entry, complete with parking space, affords greater practicality for unloading shopping, with direct access to the kitchen and living. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.